Hi guys, welcome to my channel in the Tropical Plants and Cooking. For this video, I'm going to show you how I trim the citrus plant. This is a lemon and mandarin. So it's almost fall, so this is the good time to trim or prune your citrus plant. So come join me and let's do the trimming on how I do it, and then you can do it to your citrus plant too. Like, look at this guys, now it's getting yellow because it's almost fall and the citrus is outside. Sometimes the weather is going down and sometimes it's up, so it's the fluctuating of the temperature. That's how it looks like this. So now it's time to do the pruning. I'm gonna start with this big one. We're gonna cut it over here. It's so pokey guys because of the thorn. That, and then I'm gonna cut this big chunk of branch over here, and then I'm going to cut down this branch here. We don't need this one. Here we go. And then this one, I'm just gonna cut it a little bit. Let's just leave some branch. This one over here, and then I'm gonna cut a big chunk here. This one. And so this is the top. We don't need this. We'll go back again. Same with this one. You have to be careful guys because of the thorn. So this part is done guys. Look at this. Nice and trim. Now I'm gonna put it down. One is done. And then I'm gonna do that one that I did first is a lemon tree. This one is lemon. This one is lemon and mandarin. So this one, it grows so much this year. So, but I'm gonna cut it up to here. And then we'll cut this one. I'll cut a little bit of the top. We'll cut a little bit of the top. Same with this one. And then a little bit on the bottom. That's perfect. So the lemon and mandarin here are already done too. So we're gonna go to the other plant. This is all lemon. So look at this guys, it's all yellow. So but I'm gonna cut it up to here. Just like that. And this one. I like the smell of the lemon guys. And this one, so that it grows more branches later on. That one, and that one, another one here, and another one over there. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me put it a little bit, and there, and this one. I'm gonna cut this guys over here, over there, and this one here, and that one. So it's done, this one. The last but not the least, the mandarin. This is two mandarin plant. This one is doing really well. We're just gonna cut the branch that we don't need. This and this and this and this one. That one. One on the top. the one on the side. Let's cut that together. I kind of want them to grow like a tree. Let's cut this. There you go. And that's it for this mandarin tree. Look at this, guys. Isn't it gorgeous? Gorgeous, gorgeous. So that's it for now. I hope you had an inspiration on doing this, and you guys can trim your citrus plant anytime you want. Okay, bye.